I know when you took off yesterday, it was like you had a really good takeoff, but then he fucking took off, and it's just like fucking what? And I was like, oh shit!
He's running like 6 more pounds of boost than I am right now. I'm running like 19 right now.
Yeah, dude, he's telling me like sometimes he'll hit 26, and I was just like, yeah, dude. I fucking went for a ride in that car when he got done with it. Like after Kumo got done with it, dude, and that fucking car was fucking insane. I was very, very
I
impressed
think
with
he's
this
running
guy.
like, I put down 285. He should be
Dude, I'm thinking,
19 pounds of boost. He should be running 330, 340.
yeah, I told him I'm thinking anywhere from fucking 325 to 375.